2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, security system, compass, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.